How did the conversation go down between Muhammad and Becca so he was going to have his daughter?
What's your point?
You don't know?
No.
Okay. So, just because you don't know, are you allowed to fill in the gaps as how it might have went?
Did I?
Are you allowed to fill in the gaps how it might have went?
Did I?
No, I'm saying, are you? Are you allowed to fill in the gaps?
Why would I? No.
Okay.
No.
It's not a concern.
No, it doesn't concern me, but because I didn't. I didn't put. That sentence is completely irrelevant.
Are you now telling me it doesn't matter to you as a person that a 50-year-old man decided to marry a 6-year-old girl? You're telling me it doesn't matter?
Why you want 6?
No, marry a 6-year-old.
On 6?
Yeah, why?
She was.
No, why are you worried about 9?
It's the facts.
No, why? Why are you worried about 9?
Why are you not worried? That's my question.
That's the question. Why are you not worried?
Why are you not worried? Who wants to?
Why you should be worried?
Why are you not worried?
Did he have sex with a 6-year-old?
No, when she was 9, I said
Okay,
married at 6, sex at 9. Married at 6, sex at 9. Third time.
But your
married
concern,
at 6, sex at 9.
But your concern is the sex. Your concern is the sex.
According to your hadith. Yeah. According to Sahih Bukhari.
Wait, please. According to
I
you.
can read it if you want me to read it. I don't mind reading.
But that's your issue. Your issue is the sex.
Sorry, bro.
You don't care about anything else. Your issue is a 50-year-old.
Yes, child molestation is a very big issue.
Alright, cool.
Child molestation is a very big issue to me.
Now,
because I have children myself. Do you have children?
Of course. Define a child.
Have you got a 6-year-old?
I've got a son. A 6-year-old
You don't
son.
have a girl. I've got a 10-year-old girl. And I'm just going to tell you, just for this conversation, if any man ever said to my 6-year-old girl you wanted to marry her, I'm cutting off his dick. And I'm going to ask people.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah,
you can't use that dick again. But to your prophet,
justified in doing
that.
No one to
Cool,
blame
but I'm saying you and I obviously have different moral standards. That's what I'm saying.
You got your applause.
It's not applause.
Now let's get on to it.
It's not applause.
Now tell me, define a child for me.
Define a child.
Yeah.
The mere fact that you would
When
ask
is
that
a girl an adult according to you? When is sex acceptable according to you?
when it's sex acceptable,
According to you.
when the person is ready for it,
When is that?
psychologically and physically.
able to
When
give
is that?
consent. That's what
It differs from person to person.
Able to give. Sorry?
It differs from person to person.
It differs from person to person. But 9 is a no-no.
9 is to the child.
9 is still a child. So even physically.
I'll read you something. Let me read you something. Yemeni child bride dies at 8 years old from internal injuries from the first night of marriage.
Is that the question I asked you?
Hang on.
Is that a question?
She's 8.
Is that the question I
Let me
asked
go to a 13-year-old.
Is that the question?
Because we got 5 years in between.
Emotionally manipulate.
Hang on. Let's
Man
go
asked
to
you
a
a rational
13-year-old.
question. Just answer it.
Child dies at 13.
Why can't you answer it?
Due to internal
You know it's not
injuries
gonna work.
after the arranged marriage.
You know that's not
So
gonna
we've
work.
got from 8 to 13,
That's not gonna
where a
help you.
grown man is fucking this girl so hard that she fucking dies.
It's not
And
gonna
here
help
you are in front of me trying to justify the shit like all this shit is cool. Go ahead.
I've not said anything.
Go ahead.
I've not said anything.
No, go ahead.
I asked you, what age?
No, there is very needed the F word.
Wait, leave
The
him.
F word is not the issue.
him, leave
fucking
him.
a child is the issue.
Leave
My
him.
language is not the fucking issue,
Leave
bro.
him. Leave
The
him.
child being fucked is the
Leave him.
issue.
Leave him.
I'm sick of this shit.
Leave him.
You're worrying about words, I'm worrying about the fucking child.
Alright.
The child can't take that shit.
But
She
yet-
died.
But yet you
And you're
can't
worried
answer.
about, oh, he said fuck.
But yet you can't
I'm worried
answer.
about the child, bro.
But yet you can't answer.
Fuck's sake.
Wait. But yet.
Think for a fucking second.
Sarah. But yet you still can't answer what is an acceptable
I
age.
said it different from,
I
I said different from child to child.
So basically you can't answer what is an acceptable age. You just want to have the. You just want to have the. You just want to be able to criticize. That's what you want to do.
This is what we do now.
First.
This is what we do now.
What do you?
No, I'm recording this. Don't interrupt me. Don't interrupt me.
It's not.
Don't interrupt me,
This is
bro.
what we do now.
That's not the question I asked
The
you.
average 9-year-old's body is not physically ready to be penetrated by a 50-year-old man.
1,000 years ago, 9-year-old was
I got a 10-year-old.
Average
And she's kind of big for 10.
Average is not
But no
absolute.
50-year-old man is grinding my child. Fucking killing.
Average is not absolute. But you don't have an answer. Have you noticed? Have you noticed?
It doesn't matter what
You don't have
country,
an
what
answer.
No,
religion, what tradition you're from. A child is a child, bro.
You don't have an answer as to how it's okay to do that and why you're not concerned with it. You see, what's happening here is that a rapist, I'll tell you what a rapist will do.
Personally,
No, I'll tell you what a rapist will do. A rapist will put themselves in anybody's position.
Do you have a monologue or dialogue? Do you want to have a monologue or dialogue? I ain't trying to impress no one like
I'm in a position, but they all put themselves in the child's position. Listen, I'm going to put myself in the child's position and know that that child is not physically ready. I don't care what you say.
Are you done? Are you done? The difference between me and you, I'm not trying to impress nobody. I asked you a very specific question. If you ask me when people can have sex and whatnot, is when they are physically and mentally ready. Simple as that. As long as they consent and they're physically and mentally ready, I don't have anything. I don't have anything. Huh?
It's a 9-year-old when they consent to sex. Are they ready?
It depends on what day and age you're talking about. If you want to talk about a 9-year-old 1400 years ago, listen. Do you want an answer?
You see what I'm dealing with?
Do you want an answer?
Are there any police around?
Do you want an answer? Do you want an answer? A 9-year-old 1400 years ago is not the same as a 9-year-old today.
He never did it. Is her body the same? Physically?
Not necessarily, I don't know.
Not necessarily, you don't know. Bro, if you know what I say? If you were to say 100,000 years ago, when human beings were still developing as human beings and their bodies were different, maybe I might give you a call. But 1,400 years ago, our bodies are still the same as they were 1,400 years ago.
How do you feel about 12?
What do you mean 12?
How do you feel about 12?
I just told you a 13-year-old's body, the 13-year-old still died after being mounted by a grown man.
Okay, so if that's the case, no, but wait. Why is it making you say? But what are you basing it on? What is your morality code, scientific code? Where are you coming from, other than how you feel?
Then you tell me what you think. Just look at this, yeah? Look at this.
Yes, he was 19. He was just showing that.
Tell me what you got to say about that.
He has an argument, but he has no basis for his
from the
argument.
age of 9 to 14. Look, this St. Augustine, 300, he married a 10-year-old. Why haven't you got a problem with that?
In many states today, the legal age is 14.
What are we speaking about?
What we're speaking about, listen, if you're going to argue against something, you have to come from some sort of basis. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? Don't be sitting here telling me, I'm disgusted, just because this is where we are, today.
I'm coming from
where are you
a
coming
child's perspective.
What is a child? What is a child? When does a child become an adult, according to you? For about half an hour I've asked you, you can't answer it. All you want to do is criticize.
Is a 9-year-old adult?
You look like a superstar. Hey!
Is a 9-year-old adult?
He sounds like somebody's trying to justify pedophilia.
Is a 9-year-old adult?
Thank you.
How?
I wasn't going to say
How could you justify?
Brother, I would ask
I have not stated anything.
according to you, how old should it be? According to you, that's all I want to know.
Is a 9-year-old adult? Is a 9-year-old adult?
According to you, how old is a child no longer a child?
But you can't answer too many questions. Yeah, go on.
A child is no longer a child.
Wait. Let him respond.
A child is no longer a child when your physical biology tells you you're no longer a child. It's as simple as that.
Which is what?
When you start bleeding, when you start menstruating.
When you start having your period,
The first day of your period.
Yes.
Your first period. So if you have your period at 6 years old, you're no longer a child.
There's a clear-cut difference between an adult and a child.
1 second.
Which is when?
An adult is biologically different to a child.
Okay, when you have your period, he said when you have your period,
You
yes?
tell me when.
Come on.
No, what can't you answer?
He said when you have your period.
Person to person.
So if you have your period at 6, you're no longer a child. If you have your period at 7, you're no longer a child. Is that what you're saying?
But are you going to say the same thing?
I can't say the same thing.
I know you can.
Yeah.
I can do a lot of things.
Okay, fine.
But are you going to say in this argument that
It differs from person to
So
person.
now are you saying so let's get, so you went around the houses.
But
So
again,
now are you now
A
saying
5-year-old having a period is no longer a child. That's all I want to
Are you
know.
now saying
when you say
that a 9-year-old's ready?
when you say it differs from a person to person, why are you picking on this particular person? How do you know what her condition is? You said it differs from person to person. That's what you said. So how do you know this particular person's condition? Another thing that you said was on an average. Now average is not absolute against something that you said. So where are you putting this particular conversation in? Where?
So I'm not
Your
gonna lie.
argument is
Having this
basically
conversation
is
It's
consensus.
actually making me sick. Bro.
You're
I'm not
trying to
gonna lie,
manipulate
it's making me
people.
sick.
Who's said anything?
I can't.
Trying to justify
Because you
pedophilia.
sound
Who
like
said anything?
you're actually trying to justify.
He's a
this shit.
9-year-old
And
adult.
I can't.
Have I said anything?
No, I'm asking. He's a 9-year-old adult. He's a 9-year-old adult.
By
In any
saying when the child has the
situation.
first
I'm
period,
not
then
scientist,
no
I don't
longer a
know.
child.
Let's talk about specifics. Was Aisha ready to have sex? Let's talk about specifics. Because you're going around here. Was Aisha ready to have sex?
Posing a question. He's asking a question.
He doesn't. That's what he's asking.
He's asking.
Hear the answer. Hear the answer. Hear the answer.
You need to listen, bro.
Hear the answer. Since Aisha got married,
Yeah.
stayed married, and was happily married, and her marriage was accepted by her father, I would rightly assume that she was ready.
At 9.
What would you base it on?
Hang on.
I don't know what age she was.
She was 9. They said
I
she was
don't
9.
know what age she was.
What do you mean you don't know what age she was?
No, dude. You're coming from one hadith and I showed you another hadith. Did I not?
Do hadiths contradict each other?
Huh?
Do
Is
hadiths
Bukhari
contradict each
authentic,
other?
Yes or no?
Yes,
You got
hadith is not
Muslims there.
religious. It's not
Is
Quran.
Bukhari authentic?
But without the hadith, you
Is
can't
it
pray.
authentic?
So is Muslim.
Okay then.
Without hadith, you couldn't pray.
Some Muslims authentic?
Yes. Is Muslim authentic?
Okay.
Bro.
So how old was she?
Don't
Hang
give
on,
me
hang on.
charade, man.
So how old
Talk
was
to
she?
me.
How old was she?
I don't know.
You don't know. So we got 9 and got 19, yeah?
Yeah.
So how come within your religion you don't know?
What do you mean by within
I
my
thought your
religion?
religion, your religion was perfect.
That is
I
not-
thought it was perfect. I thought we knew everything.
Do you want an answer?
Go on.
Do you want an answer?
Go on.
When they got married, it's not an Islamic creed. So it has nothing to do with religion being perfect or not.
Okay. Well, for the sake of this argument,
So you're talking complete ass.
not at all. For the sake of this argument,
talking shit.
No, for the sake of this argument,
What is your argument
for the
based
sake of
on?
this argument, I've spoken to Muslims just before you
I
came.
answered two of your
And
questions.
listen.
No, me. I'm for me to question you.
Just
No.
before you
Bro,
came.
I've heard you all day. Do you
Just
want to
before
dialogue?
you came.
Do you want to
But I
dialogue?
had 2 Muslims
Do you
say
want
she
to
was
dialogue?
9.
Did I answer
Who's
two
the
questions?
Judas?
2
Who's the
Muslims
Judas?
say she was
Did I
9.
answer 2 questions?
2.
Did I answer 2 questions?
And now
Can
you
I
come
ask you?
along.
Can I ask
And
you?
now you come along, and now she's 19.
He's Brett in his feelings.
I had 2 Muslims before you say she was
Do you
9.
want a
Now you
question?
come along and she's not 9, she's 19.
Do you want a question?
I can't believe none of you.
always
You're all
been
fucking
9.
liars.
Do you want a question?
It's always been 9.
Do you want
I
a
can't
question?
believe none of you.
But I can't believe it.
I can't believe none of
We
you.
can say the same
Let's
to
stop
you.
having this conversation.
We can say the same to
Let's
you.
stop. Let's talk about what you want to talk about before. Let's stop. Talk about what you want to talk about.
Do hadiths contradict each other?
Yes.
So
I don't
what
believe
do you
any
go
of
with?
you. You're all liars, bro. Bro, no, guys.
He's got nothing.
Was she 9? Or was she 19? Was she 9 or 19?
It's always been.
I said, was she 9 or 19?
Everyone said she was 9, bro.
Was she 9 or 19? How old? If you don't know, say you don't know.
No, but you don't. No, but
And now all of a sudden no one don't know. All of a sudden no one knows. But before they knew, but now you don't know. You're all fucking liars. You're all fucking liars.
back to what we were saying. Back to the subject.
Yo.
And actually 9.
Back to the subject.
Okay, guys.
Back to the subject.
No consistency within your religion. None.
Back to the subject. Back to the subject. Back to the subject. Back to the subject.
Back to the subject.
We're going too far off. We're going too far
When
off.
Aisha got married,
You got a bunch of
it's not the religion.
child molesters around there.
When Aisha got married,
Bunch of potential child
when
molesters
Aisha
around
got
there.
married,
Yeah, go on.
That is a bold statement. What he said. He said anyone that believes in what you believe in is a potential child molester.
which is what? What do
Well,
you
I'm not sure. I'm
believe?
not sure. I'm neutral. I'm neutral. I'm
He's
neutral.
not basing his argument on how much people. Guys, bro,
Everyone here, all the people here say,
I use that. When he talk about what he had to learn, I said,
Well, you said, hey, what kind of irrelevant question is that? What kind of irrelevant question is that?
I'm right.
Marcho, please. Marcho. Infinity.
Going back to what we were saying.
Leave that.
I need one explanation. How many child died? I need one explanation. And I need this from all atheists.
Yeah, it's true.
This idea that
I agree.
bringing that every effect has a cause is a claim. Who came up with that? How is it that I'm making a claim by saying that there is a God? How? How am I the one making a claim?
When you say there is a God?
Yeah, how? Because all I'm saying, no, hear my answer. As human beings, all we know,
Her date of birth.
all we experience
Nonsense argument is that. That's a nonsense argument.
Somebody's birth.
Go and give your daughter to the nearest 50-year-old. Go and give your 6-year-old. That's what I want to hear. Go and tell me you gave your 6-year-old to the nearest grown man. And shush. And shush. Go and give your daughter to the nearest man.
I'm not filming you.
Go and give your 9-year-old to have sex with a man. Go.
Guys, come on, man. Listen to your